Welcome to Simtech's global headquarters. Come check it out. Simtech's design team specialise in creative LED concepts for a global market. The initial stages of production is the manufacturing drawings and build processes, in which our CAD and engineering team come up with creative solutions to suit a global jurisdiction. From design into manufacturing drawings, the production process starts here. Our paint division is fully equipped with large prep bays with dustless extraction and oversized drive-through spray booths with baking capabilities. Assembly acts as our moving showroom with something new coming up every single week. It's where our quality control, testing, commissioning and final automation is taking place.